In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook Marketplace account permanently as of 2025. Now, I understand that navigating through Facebook settings can be a bit of a maze, and in this video, my goal is to make the process as smooth as possible for you. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Facebook's website. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, keep an eye out for the small arrow icon on the top right corner of the page, which will open a drop-down menu when clicked. After the menu drops down, look for the Settings and Privacy option, give that a click. This is where a lot of the main controls for your Facebook account, including marketplace settings, are housed. It might take a little scrolling, but I'm sure you'll spot it quickly. Next up, once you've selected Settings and Privacy, you'll notice another option saying Settings. Click on it to continue with the process. This takes you to the main menu where you can adjust a wide range of account preferences. From there, locate the Personal Details section. Clicking on this will bring up all your personal information associated with your Facebook account. This section is crucial when modifying or removing any aspects of your profile, including the Marketplace account. Now, it might seem repetitive, but you'll want to click on Personal Details again. This is part of Facebook's structured settings area, and it's pretty standard to need a couple of clicks to get to the right place. Patience is key here. Next, head to the Account Ownership and Control section by clicking on it. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your account's presence and information on Facebook, including making decisions about deactivation or full deletion. With Account Ownership and Control open, find the Deactivation or Deletion option. Clicking on this will bring up a menu with multiple pathways regarding what you can do with your account. Here, you will see an option for your account. Go ahead and click on it. You're almost at the finish line now. Finally, you'll want to click on the option that says Delete and Continue. This confirms that you are ready to permanently delete your Facebook Marketplace account. And there you have it. With these steps, you've now removed your Facebook Marketplace account permanently. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure that this is indeed what you want before completing these steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.